Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1198 of What You Up To Now, documenting the journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. What works, what doesn't work, the good, the bad, the ugly, all of it. Truth, the ugly truth, I guess. So today, I want to talk just for a minute about the bottom line. And the bottom line combined was our supersize your business idiom today, combined with our do one thing every day that centers you annual challenge, was about the person that you are, the person you're meant to be, the person you want to be. And are you being the person that you actually want to be? Are you showing up in the world as who you really are, or are you just showing up as part of yourself? Most of us, throughout different times in our life and in different situations, show up as and fill the role that we're there to fill. I remember in corporate America, I showed up as a part of me, but I definitely didn't show my corporate peers and people that I worked with all of me and who I really am. Until my last corporate job, which was incidentally my favorite corporate job, I went into that one being 100% who I authentically am. I try to do the same thing online as in the offline world. We be who we are and who we want to be, but we're always continually improving and striving to be a better human being and a better version of ourselves and a better person. And so we want all those people to become the same person as we show up in the world. So today, the bottom line, the bottom line means directly the results that you're getting and the results that you have. And results are something that we can look at without emotion, and we can decide if we're moving toward what we want or away from what we want. And the bottom line are key performance indicators that we look at to find out if we are going in the direction we want to go with our life. Are we being the person that we really want to be? That's it. I am on vacation for another week or so. But if you need any help, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow documenting my journey as I transition from the brick and mortar world to the online world. Have an awesome day.